How to make chicken with artichokes and goat cheese. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 skinless boneless chicken breast halves, 4 cups chicken stock, 9-ounce packaged frozen artichoke hearts thawed, 1 cup fresh fall onions peeled, half cup of tablespoons thyme, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon ground black pepper, 3 pieces soft goat cheese sliced into 4 pieces, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Add all ingredients to list. Direction: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat and cook chicken breast halves until brown on both sides, 5 to 8 minutes per side. Pour in chicken stock, artichoke heart, fall onion, thyme, salt, and black pepper and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer until stock is reduced and onions and artichokes. Place a goat cheese slice on his chicken breast, cover skillet and let goat cheese melt to place chicken breast into a serving platter. Spoon about 3 teaspoons liquid from skillet into a small bowl and whisk in contrast until smooth. Stir construction mixture into skillet and cook until sauce has thickened about 1 minute. Serve pan sauce with thickness breast. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. The channel provided by Recipe Driver.